بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله
ऊंची बोल पाए
the all-hearing from the cursed devil. In the name of Allah, the entirely merciful, the especially merciful.
هو الله الذي لا إله إلا هو عالم الغيب والشهادة هو الرحمن الرحيم.
He is Allah, other than whom there is no deity, knower of the unseen and the witness. He is the entirely merciful, the especially merciful.
هو الله الذي لا إله إلا هو الملك القدوس السلام المؤمن المهيمن العزيز الجبار المتكبر سبحان الله عما يشركون.
He is Allah, other than whom there is no deity, the sovereign, the pure, the perfection, the bestower of faith, the exalted in might, the overseer, the compeller, the superior. Exalted is Allah above whatever they associate with Him.
هو الله الخالق البارئ المصور له الأسماء الحسنى يسبح له ما في السماوات والأرض وهو العزيز الحكيم.
He is Allah, the creator, the inventor, the fashioner, to whom belong the best names. Whatever is in the heavens and on earth is exalting Him, and He is exalted in might, the wise.
صدق الله العظيم.
God Almighty has spoken the truth.
Mr. Mujahid, thank you so much.